All right, today we're going to lay some of the UrbanStone luxury pavers, and this one here is colour pearl. But first, we need to prep the area and get it ready to put these tiles down nice and level. All right, so now that we've selected our paver, the next step is to get the site ready to put the pavers down. So what we need to do is, we've got our road base that we've put down between 70 and 100 mil, and we've compacted that through. On top of that road base, we've got this bedding sand. This is a coarse bedding sand. After we put that down, we need to compact that at about 25 to 30 mil. And that's going to allow for a good base under our pavers. After we've got that bedding sand down, we need to run a screed or a level over the area. And that will ensure for a nice even finish. All right, now that we've got the site prepared, we've got our road base and our bedding sand nice and leveled out, we're going to start laying some pavers. The best way to lay the pavers, when you grab the paver you want to put down, grab it from the edge that's facing away from the pavers that are already on the ground. That just ensures that you don't get your fingers in the way. Using a rubber mallet, we just want to set that in line with its neighbour here and here, using the grout lines to ensure that that paver stays nice and square to its neighbours. Now we've finished laying our pavers, our final step is just brushing in some of this fine builder sand in between the gaps in our pavers. As well as a nice neat finish, this also stops the pavers from moving that little bit and just locks them all into place.